Most Americans say saving money is impossible. But what if I told you saving $1,000 in just 30 days is way easier than you think? It's not a gimmick. It's a proven money hack. If your paycheck seems to vanish into thin air every single month, I want you to listen closely. It's not because you don't earn enough. The real problem is that nobody ever taught you a simple, effective system to manage your money. You've probably heard a million tips like just make a budget or stop buying lattes, but they don't stick because they don't address the core issue. You're fighting against your habits, and that's a battle you're set up to lose. We're going to fix that right now with a system that works with your brain, not against it. First things first, and this is the most important step. I want you to open a brand new savings account today, right now. You can do it on your phone in less than 5 minutes. Here's the critical part. Give this account a nickname. Call it Do Not Touch, Future Fund, or something that makes it feel off limits. Now, set up an automatic transfer every single day. I want you to move $33 from your checking account into this new Do Not Touch account, $33 a day. It sounds like a lot, but when it's broken down like this, it's less than a couple of fancy coffees or a takeout lunch. Because it happens automatically every day, you'll barely notice it's gone. It's a small, consistent action that bypasses your daily spending decisions. Your brain won't even have a chance to miss it. But here's the magic. In 30 days, those small, seemingly insignificant transfers will have added up to just under $1,000, almost $1,000, just by setting up one simple, automated rule. You're not relying on willpower. You're building a system that saves money for you. Okay, step 2. This one is quick, easy, and you'll feel an immediate impact. I want you to grab your phone or log into your bank account and find one unnecessary subscription to cancel. Just one. We all have them. That streaming service you signed up for to watch one show and then forgot about. That gym membership you haven't used since January. That subscription box that's just cluttering up your house. Find it and cancel it. Most people are unknowingly leaking $50, $60, even $100 a month on things they don't use or value. Think about it. Canceling a $50 a month subscription is an extra $600 a year. That's a free $600 you're giving yourself back just for 5 minutes of effort. This isn't about deprivation. It's about being intentional with your money and cutting out the waste you don't even notice. Go find that one subscription right now. I'll wait. Done. It's awesome. You just gave yourself a raise. Step 3 is all about taming your biggest budget killer, eating out. Food is a huge expense for most of us, and it's where impulse spending really runs wild. So here's the rule. We're going old school with the cash rule. At the beginning of the week, decide how much you can afford to spend on restaurants, coffee, and takeout. Let's say it's $60. Go to the ATM, pull out $60 in cash, and put it in a separate part of your wallet. This is your food fund for the week. Every time you buy food out, you must use this cash. No cards, no phone payments, just cash. Why does this work so well? Because cash is tangible. You can physically see your money disappearing, which makes you think twice before you spend it. And here's the non-negotiable part. Once the cash is gone, it's gone. No excuses. No, I'll just put this one on my card. You stop eating out for the rest of the week. This single habit forces you to be mindful of your spending and naturally cuts back on impulse food purchases, without making you feel like you're on a strict, miserable diet. Now, you might be thinking, does this system actually work for real people? Absolutely. Let me tell you about a 28-year-old office worker. We'll call him Alex. Alex felt stuck. He had a decent job but was living paycheck to paycheck with zero savings and a nagging credit card balance. He felt like he was failing at being an adult. So he tried this exact system. He opened his Do Not Touch account and automated the $33 daily transfer. He found an old streaming service he wasn't using and cancelled it, saving him $15 a month. And he adopted the cash rule for his lunch and coffee habits, which was his biggest weakness. The first week was tough, but he stuck with it. At the end of 30 days, he logged into his new savings account and was shocked. He had over $1,000 sitting there. It was the first time in his adult life he had that much saved. He didn't get a raise, he didn't work a second job, and he didn't drastically change his lifestyle. He just implemented a simple system that made saving automatic. If this strategy was helpful and you want more simple, no-fluff money hacks that actually work, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're Money Hack USA, and our goal is to give you the financial tools you were never taught in school. We post new videos every week designed to make you smarter with your money in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.